Police officers attached to the Criminal Records Office have again refused to move into the building on Orange Street, downtown Kingston, which is being retrofitted to house the office. They insist the building is not ready to be occupied. TVJ's Kirk Wright has this primetime news follow-up.
When we turned up to the new location of the Criminal Records Office on Orange Street, downtown Kingston on Friday morning, we were told most of the police personnel who refused to start working had already left. Only a few lingered outside, and the others who stayed were busy inside installing computers. Inside, it appeared most, if not all, the tiling work had been completed and most of the painting work was done. However, men were still seen applying paint to the skirting board. Some of the new air conditioning units were also in operation.
Our impression of it is that significant work has been done, and we want to commend our colleagues at the technology branch and the property management branch on the work that they have done to bring the building from the state that it was to something that we are more comfortable with.
Still, ceiling tiles were missing and bathroom doors were still being hinged. Police Federation Chairman Patricia Rowe says there's still a significant amount of work outstanding.
We know that the central air system is still being worked on, and there needs to be additional work to ensure that the environment is not contaminated by unkept ducts in the ceiling that is connected to the central air. Those form part of our major concerns.
The police who turned up cited those and other reasons for not wanting to start working on Friday. But the Federation chairman says it was never the intention for everyone to start working today.
I had discussion with our colleagues, and they are aware that the building as is for this morning was not for habitation for a prolonged period of time. It's just to set up the systems to see how operational they are, to assess and do a feasibility as to the readiness for operation. So certainly today was not for an extended occupancy of the building, but just to put in some equipment to see how functional they are in preparation for operation.
We asked what accounted for the miscommunication.
I guess it's a function of proper communication and we have sought to communicate with our members the best we can. We are in touch with Commissioner. When we spoke to Commissioner yesterday, he was clear on what his instructions were.
Office furniture were also moved in on Friday at the same time the police commissioner and members of the High Command were touring the facility. Mr. Rowe says the commissioner will decide when they should start occupying the building. Kirk Wright, TVJ News.